Hey there, space travelers. Today we're shifting our gaze from distant stars to a down-to-earth event of astronomical scale, China's tech boom. For centuries, this ancient civilization, gunpowder paper, making the compass. But in the 21st century, the scale and speed of its innovation is something completely new. It's no longer just about catching up. It's about blazing new trails, setting new standards, and completely changing the global tech landscape. We're watching a nation of 1.4 billion people transform from a manufacturing powerhouse to a deep tech creator. From the smartphone in your pocket to the satellites orbiting above. This isn't just a story of government rules and huge state funding. It's a vibrant, super competitive home market that acts like a melting pot for new ideas. It's the story of a generation of engineers, scientists, and business people. The huge size of China's population brings an unmatched amount of data. This is a key resource for training artificial intelligence algorithms. This mix of policy, people, and data is creating amazing technological progress. Just think about the huge ambition of all this. Let's start with something that's at the core of our modern world: connectivity. In mobile and telecommunications, China's impact isn't just big, it's foundational. Huawei, Xiaomi, and ZTE are known not just for making affordable smartphones, but also for building the digital infrastructure. The rollout of 5G technology is a great example of this. While other countries were talking, China moved at a breathtaking pace. They built hundreds of thousands of base stations, creating the world's largest 5G network. This doesn't just mean faster downloads. It's the low lag needed for self-driving cars. It's the high bandwidth needed for the Internet of Things. It's the high bandwidth needed for the Internet of Things. It's the high bandwidth needed for the Internet of Things. This is the nervous system for tomorrow's technologies. Asia, Africa, Latin America. The digital Silk Road is redrawing the map of global connections. But this expansion hasn't been without controversy. Concerns about national security and data privacy have led to bans and restrictions. Now, let's move to a field that's more about the brain in the machine than the physical parts: artificial intelligence. China has stated its goal to be the world's leading AI innovation center by 2030, and it's working toward this goal with huge enthusiasm. The country's unique advantage is the vast amount of data it has, from mobile payments, e-commerce, and social media. Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent. Face recognition, unlocking smartphones, confirming payments, identifying people in crowds, optimizing city traffic, diagnosing from medical images, personalized education, and recommendation engines. But surveillance and social credit systems raise deep ethical questions. Privacy and freedom. In China, the focus is on public safety and stability. China is in the middle of a robotics revolution, the world's biggest market for industrial robots. The government is speeding up this change with Made in China 2025, welding car bodies, placing tiny components with micron accuracy, and service robots delivering in restaurants, guiding in museums, disinfecting in hospital rooms. For an aging population, roles in care, assistance, and companionship are becoming important. But automation puts jobs at risk. Retraining and upskilling are urgent needs. In space, Chang'e 4 on the far side of the Moon, Chang'e 5 sample return, Zhurong Mars rover, Tiangong station. Beidou boosts its independence with a GPS alternative. In quantum, secure communication based on entanglement with the Mauritius satellite and the Zhejiang quantum supremacy claim. It's a race to break codes and create codes. Quantum sensors promise new accuracy in navigation and medical imaging. Investment in semiconductors, the talent race, and computing power, a critical battleground of our time. This is a story of breathtaking speed, monumental scale, and bold ambition. 5G networks, artificial intelligence, robots on factory floors, and a space station orbiting above. This rise has lifted hundreds of millions out of poverty and made technology more accessible. But concerns about privacy and human rights grow with centralized control. This creates ideological divisions and turns standards into a geopolitical battlefield. The world asks, how do we compete? How do we work together? And how do we protect our values? An aging population, regional inequality, and dependence on advanced semiconductors. These are serious hurdles. International pressure and economic worries could slow things down. Watching China's tech boom is like watching a new star ignite in the galaxy. Its gravity reshapes everything around it. What's the right balance between innovation and regulation, between security and freedom, between national interest and global cooperation? Understanding these forces is key to navigating the rapidly changing world of the 21st century. The universe, it seems, just got even more interesting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.